The traffic is stuck, and you're not moving anywhere. You thought you found a friend to take you out of this place, someone you could lend a hand in return for grace. It's a beautiful day. Sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day to let it get away on the road. But you've got no destination, you're in the mud, in the maze of her imagination. Your love is down, even if that doesn't ring true. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Danny Black and Cutter.
Yeah, I'm here, super duper duper cut, all up in the mix like, yeah, nigga, what? I stay blazed like broders, even if I never said it, you should probably know this by now. Ta-da, what they gon' make up? Every time I read about, see some shit they make up. If I ever saw them, Black Dynamite them, then they'd have a reason to say why they never liked them.
As the lights of the cars go by in a stream, seems like I stand pretty much unseen, but